Think about puppies.
That's all for you.
No. It's going to be if you stop moving.
I know puppies.
Stop moving.
You love puppies?
What kind of puppies do you love? What's your favorite kind of puppy?
Puppies.
What's your favorite kind?
I like the they with the fuzzy puppies.
What kind of fluffy puppies?
The Alaskan Malamutes.
Like the Huskies?
Yeah, Huskies
Those
are
so pretty.
Puppy.
I know. And they're crazy.
Like,
blue
oh
eyes.
my god, I'm gonna kill them. Oh my god, that.
No, you're not. You're not. Think about puppies.
Honey, I'm getting there.
So cute.
Alright? Making progress.
Don't think about it. You're traumatizing.
Oh, that hurts so bad. Really? Okay, I'm gonna do that to you.
Maybe listen, what kind of puppies? Just tell me about
Your
a puppy.
Your favorite.
Punch you in the face, puppy. Oh my god, that hurts so bad.
Well, yeah, that's because I just ripped your skin.
It's okay. No, don't tell us that.
But I did.
I know.
It's over.
It's almost over. It's
Oh my
almost
god.
over. Think of wonderful
I'm
things.
going to make use of it. Oh my god, that hurts.
No, but I'm getting it. I'm getting it, okay?
Thank
Stop.
God.
We're getting it.
Thank God, but it hurts so fucking bad.
I know, but listen. I need you to just shut the fuck up.
I know, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay?
Don't think
It
about it.
hurts really fucking
No, it's
bad.
gonna feel better. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, no. No, yeah, oh my god, you have no idea. That's fucking
I know.
so fucking bad.
It's almost out.
Is it hanging out?
It's We're almost. We almost have it out. Okay.
God, that
It's
fucking
okay.
hurts.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It'll be out in a minute. It won't be infected.
Baby, I need you to let go of because I
just
just
need your arm.
No, I need you to let go.
You're fine.
If you want, Brittany, you can be on your other side. I don't care.
Here, hold my hand. You can squeeze it as tight as you can.
What a baby.
Don't tell him that. He'll
Okay,
hurt
yes,
you.
I am aware. Okay.
I swear to God.
It'll be fine. Let's get it out.
Okay. That's not so bad.
No. Fine. No.
Oh, that fucking hurts.
It's almost out. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're strong.
Oh my god, that fucking
Michael, every time you move, it makes
I
me
can't over there.
Stop moving.
You have no
Stop
idea
moving.
that.
Stop moving.
Oh god.
No. It's okay.
Ah, jeez. Oh my god. Oh, seriously, what are you doing, man? Stop, you need to fucking stop. That fucking hurts real fucking bad. You almost got it!
Michael, you're not having a baby. It's okay. It's a
You have no idea how fucking painful that is.
It's a
You have
splinter.
no
Yes,
fucking
I
idea.
am very aware. Out.
Michael, you're alright.
You don't want an infection, okay?
Okay, I got like
I'm gonna bite you.
at least 75% of it in
You're
my
almost
head right
there.
now. Look, I got almost all of it out.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, it's okay.
Wait, the rest?
Okay.
Then the rest
From
will be
Perkins?
okay.
Pull that away.
She said from Perkins?
Hold on, let me make sure. Just
okay.
take a really big deep breath. Let me just make sure.
I'm gonna bite you.
It's almost.
I'm gonna fucking chew
Okay,
on your elbow.
If you wait until I say okay, you can bite me. Just take a big deep breath and close your eyes. Big deep breath and close your eyes.
I think. I'll pick it up in a second.
Oh God.
Michael, I think it's
Oh.
okay. I think it's out. It's
I
out.
think a lot of it is just.
No,
There's
it's out.
fucking.
It's out.
But I know, but honey, but
out.
there's pus because.
I know,
Yeah,
I know.
It's like
I
Neosporin. You're fine.
We don't have any
See,
Neosporin,
look,
but.
look, it's out.
I've got
It's
antibacterial.
I'm supposed to be brown.
No, that's just
I
dry
know,
blood.
honey. It's
Okay,
they're
Michael,
gonna go for a while.
Michael,
Pus.
wait. Matt, come here.
Wash your hands really good. And whoever's fucking
So.
cigarette butt that is, throw it
I will get it in the trash when you're
Yeah, who's that?
What am I filming?
you have video.
I have 5 minutes. What am I filming
Who
still?
did that?
Not me.
I'm gonna get it, Michael.
I was holding your hand the whole time. It was not me.
Do you want me to